So welcome to another Simply Diagnostics video down here in bright and sunny Cheshire. It ain't bright, it ain't sunny. We're here at the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub. We've got our 2017 Ford Focus, dropped off for us. It's experiencing battery drain problems, so it's not starting. The battery's going flat over a period of time. We've just brought it in now, so the first thing I've done, it has had a flat battery, so at the moment we've got it on battery support. We're using the GYS battery support, the 100 amp one. I've got it on showroom mode at 12.6 volts, which is the nominal voltage for a battery. You can see at the moment it's pulling 11.5 amps. Now, the trick with this is we've got all the we've got the doors open so we can get access to the vehicle. But we've got all the door catches flicked over so the car actually thinks it's locked with all the doors closed so it can go to sleep. So what we're going to do now, we're going to leave it for a few hours, let that battery get some charge in it, and we'll see what that baseline current draw or battery drain is on the vehicle. Then we're going to get the Topdon thermal imager out and we're going to go and have a quick look round and see what's hot and what's not. Where it's hot, that's what's draining the current, and we'll be able to pinpoint it a lot easier, a lot less intrusively, and hopefully we'll get a first time fix for it. Thanks for watching, you're awesome.